Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eaton tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing. Now, I love this tool. I have a black one myself. I take it camping all the time and highly enjoy it. It comes in black as well as your orange. I believe we call that tangerine is the official color name on that one. Fuchsia, which is to say pink, and we have a yellow one as well. The colorful ones have a little bit more high visibility, so you're less likely to lose it in camp. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your color. Anyway, it is a very cool tool designed by Leon Ma and available all over the place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website. And thank you for buying, using, and eating off of CRKT tools. Thanks and have a great day.
Heavy-duty and waterproof tarp, the Defender. The Defender uses a very durable 70D nylon that's dual-coated with DWR and TPU. You can see how thick and almost rubbery that TPU coating is here. It actually blocks out the camo pattern on the underside of this tarp fabric. This combination of materials gives the Defender a waterproof rating of 20,000 millimeters. Now translated, this means that if there were a 65-foot tall column of water just pressing down on this tarp, it would not get through the fabric. So, tough fabric, durable waterproofing, and we reinforce the tarp's key stress points at every intersection. Doubled up fabric on the corners, really strong webbing loops and stitching here as you can see, and we even buttress the ridgeline with webbing to ensure those important tie-outs never tear away when under duress by wind or other forces. The Defender is built to last and is also extremely adaptable. With almost countless configuration options, you can set up and shelter in any terrain. Plus, we make it in 4 sizes to ensure whatever your outdoor adventure, your trip is totally covered. This is Scott from AquaQuest. Thanks for watching.
That's 12 ropes. I just cut through 11. 5.5, and let's say another 3.5, 4 inches. So 9-inch cut.